Hello students, welcome to Sigma Physics Online. I hope you all are doing well. So let's go straight away to the next question. So the next question is that we have 3 resistors of R ohm each and a battery of E volt. How would you connect these resistors with the battery to obtain maximum current? Draw circuit diagram to illustrate your answer and also calculate the current drawn from the battery. Okay, so here we have been given 3 resistors. There are 3 resistors, each of value R ohm. So each resistor has a value of R ohm and they are connected to a battery whose potential difference is E volt. Now it's asked to connect these 3 resistors in such a way that we will be able to obtain maximum current in the circuit. Okay, then we need to draw a circuit diagram regarding that, and not only we have to draw the circuit diagram, we have to find out what is the maximum current drawn from the battery. So let's start. So we know that in order to obtain maximum current in the circuit, the resistance of the circuit needs to be minimum. And minimum resistance can be obtained only if the resistors are connected in parallel. So we'll have to connect the 3 resistors in parallel so as to obtain the minimum resistance and subsequently the maximum current. So first let's draw the circuit diagram representing these 3 resistors when connected in parallel. Okay, so here we have 3 resistors. 1, resistor 2 and resistor 3, and they are connected to a source of potential. Okay, so this is positive, this is negative, this is a closed circuit here, and each resistor has a value of R ohm, and the potential difference across this battery is E volt. Now we have to find out the equivalent resistance. So we know that the resistors we have connected them in parallel. So let's find out the equivalent resistance. So we write here, let the equivalent resistance be R ohm. Okay, let the equivalent resistance be R ohm, or let's give it a name R dash, because here R ohm is the resistance of each resistor it's given. So let's write down R dash. So now from parallel circuit we know that 1 by R dash is 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R, which would be 3 by R. Okay, so R dash will be R by 3. So this is the overall resistance of the circuit when the 3 resistors are connected in parallel. So here we got the value of each resistor. So here we got the value of the equivalent resistance of the circuit. So now let's find out what is the current drawn. Okay, so we'll have to use Ohm's law. So we write, from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So we have to find out the current. So I will be V by R. So V is given as E volt and R is R dash over here. So R dash is R by 3. So this 3 goes up. So it is 3E by R. So therefore the current in the circuit is 3E by R. So these are the answers to this question. So the minimum resistance value is R by 3, and because of this minimum resistance, the maximum current that flows in this circuit is 3E by R.
So I hope you've understood the answer. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.